How to find auto-file payment forms. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find auto-file payment forms on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it and click on those three lines up there. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down until you find browser. And here click on auto file payment forms, which is the last option to turn on or off this option, and this is it. If you turn it on, you're not gonna find your payment info because you turned off this option, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.